Alright, today I got an 09 Malibu with I believe it's a 3.6 liter. Got to change the spark plugs, do an oil change, and air filter, and check out a clunk noise that's in the coming from the front end. So I pulled this little piece of plastic off here to get it off. It's held on by just these two little clips. You just pull it off, but you do have to remove the oil cap, so just got to make sure you don't drop a whole bunch of dirt in your engine when you take that off. So then there's, oh, this is just rubber. That's okay. It's just held in. Another little rubber dowel. That lifts off, and now you can see the front coils. I'm gonna get the air hose out and blow some of this off. Well, I can see 1, 2, 3 coils back there. I just barely see the plugs. Okay, I'll try and get a better look back here of what I'm gonna tear off to get into this thing. There's a evap, can't remember, I think that's a purge solenoid there. Someone already started, apparently. We're gonna take the line, vacuum line, that should go to the booster. I'll just undo that. Just squeeze the spring clip and that hose will come off that way. That will give me access to the 2 left-hand coils. One is underneath here, one's back here. Then I just have to figure out how to get to that one. Don't know if you can get in there to see. But actually, yeah, there's the bolt there. And I can't tell if that's a hose or if that's a wire. Oh, okay, that's just a vacuum evap line. Okay, so that's what I'll do. I'll get this out of the way, get to the other end of that hose, get it out of the way, and go from there. I guess I'll get that hose off of there. This hose off here, or one of them. Yeah, so to release that, just push in, push down on that, push in a little bit, and then it'll pop right out. Let's see if I can just get this thing off of there. Okay. Well, let me just move the camera here. Show you how these come apart. So this one, to release it, just oh, there we go. Sorry about that. Yeah, so to release that, you just give it one of those, and then it pulls off. So now I'll just unplug these two coils that are on the furthest away to the passenger side. I think I can reach the driver's side one. Holy, I can't get that. Oh, there we go. Well, I'll see if I can get in there with a quarter drive and a shallow 10 mil. And I think that deep is going to be better. Okay, there's the one coil. Maybe I'll take the Oh, that's not even tight either. It's the hold down for the fuel lines here. Oh, I should say one's a fuel line, the other's a coolant line. Comes off the top of the coolant reservoir. See if I can. Yeah, I'll put that back on there so I don't lose it. Just push that out of the way. Okay, yeah. That helped a lot actually. So that's the middle coil right here. Just about got that bolt out all the way. As long as I don't drop it. Well, actually this will come out okay. Now for the last one, which is straight down here. Please come out. I'm gonna have to find the other end of this line. And, oh, it goes on to the right near the throttle body on the intake. So I'll just disconnect it. It's the same connection as on the other end there. Let's see if I can slide it out of the way. One way or t'other. Okay, well I've managed to get it completely off there. I just pulled it out towards the other side and didn't get any of that on camera, so I'll have to. Ooh, wow, there is just enough room to get this out. If that's 6-inch, something like that extension, 6 or 8. And that was when a swivel head ratchet would come in handy. But yeah. Okay, well, I'll finish that one off with a quarter drive for the shorter ratchet. I'll just get the rest of these brothers. Holy snug. That was a little bit concerning. Really worried about pulling the threads out of the head. Okay, finally. Not enough room to get the whole works out, so. Okay, there's one plug. It actually doesn't look that bad. It is an AC Delco plug though, so chances are they are original, so not gonna hurt to change them. Okay, well I'll just skip through this part here. The other two plugs came out, they were pretty uneventful and they went in just the same way as they came out. Oh yeah, one thing to be mindful of is make sure that I usually take these out when I'm putting plugs in or use a socket that doesn't have them. That little rubber boot in there, it's used to help you fish your spark plugs out. Just make sure that doesn't get stuck on your spark plug after you install one. Okay, got all the plugs in. Now I'm gonna put the coils back in. Yeah. Click. Make sure the plug-ins, the connectors don't get stuck underneath the coils when you when you bolt them down, because then they'll break, obviously. So. Okay, so 3 coils are bolted down. Now I gotta try and fish this hose. It's gotta go under the intake and connect up to here. Yeah, it's gotta kind of weasel in under here. Probably going to regret taking this off all the way, but I kind of think I had to do it. Oh yeah, okay, there we go. It's not so bad. Just gotta have it come out. Not sure if you can see where it's coming out there. Yeah, right there. And it's gotta get snaked underneath this line. Oh, there we go. There we go. Okay, good. Okay, so that's in. Now I will plug the coils back in. Yeah, just push on them until you hear them click. Well, it's not much of a click, but you can feel it click in. That sits like that, so that just clips in. Same with the other side. Hope that works there. And click. And just give them a tug. Make sure they're not going to come off. They're locked in, and the bolt there. So everything's good now. Now the vacuum line. We should get some better pliers for the house one day, but oops. Stay. Okay, good. And that's it for the back ones. Okay, so I got the back done. I did the front. I'm not gonna make a I'll show all of that. It's pretty straightforward. Undo the coils, undo the spark plugs. It's pretty quick and easy. I did an oil change as well. There's not a lot to see there. Pull the drain plug. The filter you can get to reach up on from the bottom. Same with the air cleaner. I replaced that. It was pretty simple. Don't need to show that, but I did figure out the clunking noise this thing was making. It turns out it was coming from the rear, the right rear sway bar bushing, where it mounted to the frame. Or to the subframe, I guess, was worn out there. But I wasn't fixing that one today, but that's where the clunk noise on this car was coming from. So hopefully this helped someone out. If you're worried about changing the back spark plugs on these cars, it's not really all that bad. So thanks for watching.